Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's a little long. I'm taking time to upload videos because I'm experimenting things on myself. If it is working, then only I'm sharing it here. You guys have guessed it from the thumbnail itself that I'm gonna talk about a toner, a DIY toner. It's a very simple 1 or 2 ingredients toner. The second ingredient is you can even use that toner as a face pack base, and the toner just works amazing for dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, normal skin. No matter if you have hyperpigmentation, acne marks, it works just awesome. I have marks here, you guys can see it has reduced a lot after using the toner. Kafi zyada tha and it has reduced over time after using the toner. It is the best toner for summers. I can vouch for that. Chutkiyon mein banta hai, like it has got amazing anti-aging benefits. It is good if you have wrinkles, if you have matured skin. So, and you can even use that water as your hair rinse, just to rinse your hair. It will also reduce your dandruff, your hair fall, your frizziness, your dryness and everything. So without any further ado, let's see how to make the toner.
By taking a clean bowl and add 2 tablespoons of rice, the rice which you eat at home. You can even take 1 tablespoon if you wish to make it in small quantity. Now it's time to wash the rice. Just wash it well to get rid of all the powder which is there in the rice. Just wash it well, and it should look something like this after washing. And there's little water left with the rice. Now I'll add all the rice to the glass in which I'll be soaking it. So here goes my rice inside the glass, and now I'll add more water to it. I added drinking water, normal drinking water. So here now I'll keep it covered like this for 2 days and let it ferment. So after 2 days the water should look something like this. There's a frothy thing, and I will not throw it. I'll just put everything inside the empty bottle. I don't have a spray bottle. If you have, please use it. I'm running out of a spray bottle, so I couldn't. So my toner is almost ready. I have added a little bit of rose water, which is again very much optional. It will just cut down the smell a little. As it is fermented, the smell will be a little awful. I had the Patanjali one. You can use any other rose water which you have at home, or you can even use an essential oil, which is again very much optional. I've given it a good shake.
Hello guys, so the toner is ready. This is the fermented rice water toner, and it is ready to use. I've just washed my face. This is my bare face, and I'll just apply the toner. I'll give it a good shake. Unfortunately, I don't have a spray bottle with me right now, so I am just using this normal bottle, which is again I'm reusing. So I'll just, so whatever is left, I'll just apply on my hands. Guys, it will just dry up in few seconds. You guys can see I have these spots which have faded a lot. It was quite dark, and with overtime use it has really faded a lot. So just keep on using it. If you have acne marks and scars, it will take the excess oil from your face like magic, and you will instantly see it has already dried, and you guys can see I have no oil on my face, nothing. So it absorbs the excess oil from your face. If you have dry skin, still it works really well. You can add a little bit of essential oil as per your choice, but if you don't have essential oil, it's absolutely okay. And guys, please store it in your refrigerator, because it will stay on for long. And use it, don't you keep it more than, just keep it for 2 weeks, maximum 14 to 15 days, not more than 15 days. It does work on the complete texture of your skin. It works really well. It gives a very good glow to your skin. It just take away that excess oil. I mean, it is a great toner especially for the summer season. Once you use it, you are not going to get back into any other market wala toner or any other toner. Even what you can do is you can take 2 cotton balls and just take little bit of toner in it once you are keeping it in the freezer, so it will be like cold. So just take little bit of toner inside the cotton balls and just apply it on your eyes, and you rest, and you will be able to see your dark circles, your puffiness fading away, your puffiness reducing, the puffiness under your eyes and your dark circles reducing. So it is, your face will glow, your dark spots will fade slowly. Don't expect magic. It will take time, but it will do the magic, it will do wonders. So guys, go ahead and give it a try. Everything is tried and tested, you know, whatever I'm showing here, everything is tried and tested on me myself. I have tried and tested it on my friends and family, like my relatives and all. They have also tried it with different skin types, and I've taken the review of them, and after that I'm posting it here. Fermented rice water is amazing for your skin. There's no looking back after you have tried this. Give this toner a try, and do let me know in the comment section below how you guys liked it. Well, and I'm 100% sure that it will work for your skin like no other thing. So that's all for today's video. Until next time, I love you all. Bye bye.